Barungurwa watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act jaria jendekithitwe kuingwa mbere ya tauni gutwika city jaria ni amwe na kwithirwa na mung'anajo wa ntungiri 250 kiuria ni ri Meru ni gukinyaniria mendekithia jaja na kethira itira ingia ni ata thirikari ya Meru ikuibangania gukinyaniria mantu ja giki ni gichunchi kia biere gia kiroto kia Meru City ureteri ni Ntinyari Kinyua.
Kiri gichunchi kia mbere gia ntuku yegoro ni ndirakumenyithire kaumo ga kiroto kia Meru City no gikamatite na nikinuntu thirikari ciumite gutigira kiroto giki gigukinyanira. Narua kiri gichunchi giki kia biere turika siasa na ngutu nthi turania kiuria kira nikio gikinene na kia bataburu na kio niri Meru ni kuingia jaraja kuendeka kienda gutwikithwa city. Katwanjire na mung'anajo antu pamwe bariuga mutindo jotiumba buru kuona antu 250 baraba kuendeka kuringana na watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act.
Population ya mutindo mongada hii is less than 100,000. Iba kai mono. Ito qualify. On that basis alone.
City ikethirwa ina the entire northiment. The entire northiment means we have to ina wondi thano. Dene wondi jano hii tuinantu nguruki 200
Uthundhure na bubori ugatea. Kuringana na Kenya National Bureau of Statistics northiment yonthe kiri utarani wa 2019 yari na antu 177 aki ende turikane utarani bobo bwathithikire miaka 6 mithiru kwou kuri na umbani bunene bwantu baba kwithirwo bwongerekete. Kiuria kiria gikuthingatira ni ri gukethirwa antu bate kung'ana baraba kuendekare gakiroto kia Meru City kiumba kugwa. Watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act ibuguchokia kiuria giki kiri gachunchi ka 5 ijire arabo kuga kinya tauni ikaremwa kuingia jamoja jaraja kuendeka no yewe gitio ya city status kethira kuri na itumi bingi biri tonkuruke. Bunge burabo kuendeka ni integrated development plan kana mubango jo kuona ni ora tauni bangi no rega akura. Kinya kethira mubango jojo ijo akurukirwe na joreo nijo kuirikana taka jo tethinga tairwa.
Hapa ni planning ya Meru ile mwisho ya dhula Meru ya municipality. Na kwa for instance industry oile na leki ibo itindera kwa Meru Central Dairy. Hiyo oile industrial. But yo taka ntuko inande it was abandoned. Na mtu aka a factory or an industry or alaka alwania. Wataka mkutano kwena factories. Kinyaketha kwa kiongo kwena factories. Uteke ntukithinga twa mutindo.
Tukiaraniria na rwangirwo bangania ibetikirite kuri no batu bagutegera kaire mubango jojo na gutigira nijo kuthingatirwa uria kubatere.
The current integrated urban development plan, the zones, key zones are captured, for instance, still low density, and of course, tina controlled plan. Na tugeja Milimani, Kenoru, for instance. Na the plan is actually due for a midterm review. To review that, during the midterm review, we'll be able to address now some of these challenges, like now maybe revise some of these controlled plans that were previously set. Yeah, I think that's it.
Tukiumaruka kiri mung'anajo antu no bangane bwa tauni gatutonya kiri motungata jagitume. Watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act ni bwandikite motungata nkurukia 30 jara no mwanka tauni ithiro yagirithitie kenda kubwira city status. Indekire ripoti ije mbitikiria tumurika motungata ja makai yake jara ni jagitumi nkuruki twanjiritie na roje.
Twina challenge nene mono on matters water. I've been one person who complained it among mantu aruji no to mistake kire dithikire ruji rwa municipality rwathithitwe the year 2000. That the time that rwathithitwe in Japan ndomba thithitwe and design ile thithitwe go to serve no me design yawe thithitwe for 10 years and ebati kwa improved by 2010. We've added more connections to people. We've connected 7 times. And to baba connect Kirujiro Mewas more than available resource area. It is a big problem, and antijina tadhinewe kadura, lakini as much as itukuwa together as city, na I'm 100% supporting that one. Ikedwa ina dhine nene mono, especially together with a city narua, with the kind of connection ya Rujura to inaru. Nunte can tell you, we won't be able to manage together a lashon newa. Taitu ina lashon newa 3 times a week. Kintuko mwanja tu idara roje buga ntukuijiri.
Kiri roje thirikari ya Meru nitikiritie ni uma kuri na thina indi bakiuga kuri na mubango juroja gutigira thina je ni gukinya muthia.
For Roje, the Department of Water, they have actually built doing another pipeline. They are doing another pipeline in Roje through Mewas. So water supply Meru is also being taken care of.
Kuri na untu bungi burabu ithirito bukiretanga na kanyuene kababa ingi. Untu bubu na buni utungata bwa sewage irani kingi kirano mwanka kithirwa kirio kenda town yethwa city.
Kwa takatane mutindo wa sewerage system wira tueneo ni RCBD na yaki na in the 60s and 70s. Ituomba kinya kwa andu waste, sewerage waste ya CBD. Last year, sewerage yetu ora kathita utuko kathita river na ndea tukaneo the sewerage disposal system ya mutindo Meru town. Mwanka finally aturetere kotini through party members tutongeretwo ni muntu wetwa Mugambi Manyara to get orders to stop the governor kutora waste sewerage ndene kathita nontu kathita igakunywa na ntu bogaiti na ntu bau it is completely inhuman kubathora sewerage utuko.
Kiribubu na gavana Mutuma Ntoithingia na inyirite gwikinya muthia jo mwaka jojo murandi jurajo itana mbere jo sewage gakoromone jo kethirwa jo gukinyanira na Meru yebane na thineje buru na ntwire.
Imbethirite ngesukuma muno His Excellency the President na aka promise a number of times that the 1.4 billion sewerage project that was there nekinyite kurita sewage here in this city Koita ponds irasi gakoromone and drained to Rwanyange where the system our drainage ponds are nekinyete 75% complete na contractor ora withirite na this tender na engirwe last month na nende to another contractor ora wejite kuthiria that drainage system, so all that is taken care of. Mbue ruwa muno, maybe God willing within this year tukaibua kana together tuke nenkairwa the complete project ya sewer system ya Meru city.
Mabomanto ni atiri kinya Meru kaithwa city maukune gukagothio na muchemo jwa city kethira mantu jamoja gitumi jatamba gutegerwa mbere na jo mantu jaja ni amwe na woja ni bobwega baruko mutaratara jo muri kujwa kurwana mitino ya mwanki na kinya city mochari ya gweka mirira etikuirite sibitari.
Nimemwambia lazima turudie kama zamani vile tulikuwa naye, dustbins in each and every biashara, kila biashara ikuwe na dustbins, pia ikuwe kwa manyumba ndio watu wasitupe ghasia. So cleanliness will be very important for a city. Zile tulikuwa naye wakati wa municipal council 207 nikiwa councillor, tulikuwa na about 4 or 5 fire engines ile tulikuwa patiwa as a donation, lakini kwa saa hii those fire engines are not there, so hatuwezi kutarajia tupate tu donations. Tunafaa tununue, na governor ameniahidi when I spoke to him kabla ya wiki 3 wakati kulikuwa na moto prison, ameniahidi kwamba watapeleka hiyo mswada county assembly ipitishwe, because city haiwezi kukua bila proper working fire station. So watanunua fire engines ndio, na zile ziko mbaya watazitengeneza.
Thai polisi waikaia mire yao level 5 na level 5 ndio tata nonto batena mochari gungana, so we need to afford to do a mochari yetu ya tauni ya Meru.
Na nandiki uria niri Meru kweli ri tayari kana tubati kwamba kwerekane jaza jonde jaraja kwendeka na jara tona ni jagwitia ngugi nene ukorirwo kugwatanira nawo ni tinyari Kenya ntuku ya rujo kirigicunji kya bithato na kya muthia kia ripoti eje ya mwanya.